Taxes. Just hearing the word can make any small business owner's head spin, but what if there was a way to cut through the chaos and tackle tax season with confidence? In this video, I'll walk you through the ultimate small business tax preparation checklist so you can save time, avoid stress, and maybe even save some money. So let's get started. But before we continue, I just want to acknowledge that this video has been fact-checked by our own in-house writer, Erica. Erica has been researching and writing about accounting and tax-related content since 2018 and is a certified pro advisor for QuickBooks Online and payroll. So you can definitely trust that this information is accurate and up to date. Thank you, Erica. The first step to preparing your taxes is having basic information on hand to complete your tax forms. As far as personal information, you'll need to have your legal name that matches what's on file with the Social Security Administration, your home address, and your Social Security number. For your business, you're going to need to have the legal name of your business address, and your Federal Employer Identification Number or EIN. The next step is knowing which forms to file with the IRS. The forms you'll need to file for your business tax return vary based on your business structure. For instance, sole proprietors will file a Form 1040 with a Schedule C and a Schedule SE, while corporations file Form 1120. I recommend working with an accountant who can make sure you use the correct tax form for your business. But if you choose to go it alone, you can download the appropriate forms for free on the IRS website. Another important thing to keep in mind is IRS deadlines. While April 15th is the big one to remember, there are other important dates for filing certain forms, such as the 1120S for S corporations. Throughout the year, you should be tracking income and expenses with accounting software. Features like receipt tracking and auto-categorization help you keep accurate records that can be used when filling out your tax return. Whether you use accounting software now or plan to in the future, here's what to keep in mind for tax time. Keep your personal and business expenses separate. Be sure to categorize all transactions. Determine whether you'll use the cash basis or accrual accounting method and stick with it. Hold on to receipts, invoices, and other documentation in case your return is audited. In addition to your income and expense records, you'll also need to run some annual financial reports. Fortunately, this is pretty easy if your business uses accounting software like QuickBooks. The basic reports you may need to file your tax return include a balance sheet, profit and loss statement, income report, expense report, inventory valuation, total cost of goods sold, sales tax summary, payroll summary, mileage log, and an asset depreciation log. Once you've used these reports to fill out your tax return, you aren't finished with them just yet. You'll want to hold on to these records for a minimum of 3 years in case your return is audited by the IRS. In some cases, returns can be audited for up to 6 years, so you may want to hold on to them a little bit longer than that. Small business tax deductions are one of the most important steps, as these deductions lower your taxable income and your tax liability. Some of the most common deductions are things like pass-through income deduction, home office expense, advertising and marketing expenses, rent, vehicle expenses or mileage, supplies, business software, and payroll and other employee expenses. Tracking your deductions throughout the year can simplify tax season. If you claim a deduction on your tax return, make sure that you have receipts and records that support these write-offs. For a more comprehensive list of all tax deductions, please click the link in our description below. And to track the most important deductions, Merchant Maverick offers a free downloadable tax deduction checklist to make sure you don't overlook these money-saving write-offs. I've also linked that in the description below. So at this point, you should have everything you need to file your business tax return. If you decide to file your taxes yourself, make sure to take advantage of all resources available to you. This includes resources and forums on the IRS website, as well as any tax support offered by our accounting software. And there you have it, a step-by-step checklist to filing your small business taxes. By following these steps, you'll take the stress out of tax season and focus on what matters most, running your business. Be sure to check out merchantmaverick.com for more additional tax content. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more expert tips, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, Mavericks. Till next time.